guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and turn notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today, guys, we're gonna do a geyser eruption. What is a geyser? It's water that seeps into a hole to make a pool. Magma heats it up to make steam, and the steam is all around. And the steam is contained in the earth, building pressure to find a crack to make it explode. Let's get started. Okay, first, get some water and pour it into a beaker at 30 ml. Now pour this in. Now get baking soda. Use the big side. Then mix it up until the powder is dissolved. Make sure you get it at the bottom. Next, add a drop of dish soap into it. Just a drop. Okay. Drop, and add a rubber stopper into it. Pour 30 ml in the beaker, actually. Then put a big spoon of citric acid into it. Now, we mix it up until the acid is gone. Now we're going to pull some of this acid, this solution, not all of it, but some of it. Keep this down. Does that scare you guys? That's it for me today, and always do science. Bye.